Hey YouTube, and welcome to Silent Code Dev. Welcome to day 18 of becoming a front-end developer from zero. If you're new to my videos, I'm basically doing like a series where I am uploading every single day, no matter what I'm going through during the day, or should I say days, of basically just trying to become a developer, right? I realize that I need to do that because otherwise there's no way. If I don't do this every single day, there's no way for me to become a developer, even a chance, right? So that is the vision I have, and I told you guys like I wanna start doing more complex things. I wanna do more. There are days I feel like shit, you know. I doubt myself, but I gotta keep going because I made a decision to do this. I've given myself the entire year to do this, so I have to go in an hour and I have to like cut my hair. So I wanna do this quick. Last video, I realized that I targeted the wrong. This is the one I wanted to do, and again, you guys see this is happening because of my poor choice of naming things, right? So now we have it in center, and yeah, we need to add like a gap on the line. So the line is gonna have like 52 pixels. So line 2, we're gonna do margin 0 pixels, 52 pixels. Okay, and we want to flex everything, and also I don't know why it has that. None. Okay, that's not gonna work. Let's look at the HTML. So we have here, this is the, no, that's not the nav. But we have here, right? This is gonna be inside this div, but everything is inside of here. But where is the studio? Okay, so we can say it in this section here. Floor plan none. Okay, it's not working. Even if I target the there we go, targeting everything. Flex start. Okay, so we have an issue, and I think it's because I think I know why, but let's just see. This is not fully, I mean it is on the top, so it just looks like it's not on the top, right? But it is. So all right. Yeah. So yeah. Let's see. Horrible naming of classes. Horrible class names. 56, was it that? Whoopsie. Come on, bro. Don't tell me that it's not working. Let me see. Oh yeah, we need to target. I don't know why I wrapped this. Okay. Yeah, we need to change the name. I don't know why I have. Oh yeah, I forgot to write that. Okay. And we need to align text align right, I guess. And we need I just want to see, this is in global one, right? So we're gonna put this in the mobile because it's, the hovering is totally different here, right? So we're just gonna do so it's gonna be position border right. Yeah, so 4 pixels. And it's gonna be a height, so we need to 84 pixels. Oh yeah, I need to give it oh my god, I need to give the entire container like height 100%. Okay, we need to fix that. That's but it is working. We just need, I think it's because I have position absolute. It's kind of messing it up. Yeah, we want to have position absolute, and then we want to position relative on the. But what I've learned from this is definitely have to plan, like, because this is absolutely. So it's not even showing up. Yeah, because I was thinking of making this as a decoration. So this is working. Wait, let me just. I just want to align it. Oh, it's not gonna align. Yeah. I know what I'm doing right now is like, this is not the way. There's a way better ways. Like I could. Oh my god, I think I know what I need to do. I could just like. Bro. Okay. Why do I have a line flex? What the hell? Okay. Yeah, guys, I could have just made like a border on it. So what I mean is I could do border right. Look at that. And then I can do like padding. Okay, we don't want to add padding like that. Margin. Yeah, but it's gonna bring the entire thing. So that's not gonna work. This is kind of working. I'm just thinking like, okay, I need to add like padding to it. Padding. That's gonna, yeah. So we have this border here, right? And I'm thinking like, okay, padding left. It's not gonna work. So I think we need to target the li specifically because we have it here. So we need to like do this and padding. Yeah. But it needs to be inside though, right? And it needs to be a right. I don't know why I do padding right 16 pixels. Yeah, so this is the thing. And if I add margin, it's not gonna work. Yeah, I mean I need to center it. Yeah, because right now it's not centering. But yeah, this is horrible, guys. Horrible. Okay, so I need to use pseudo element. Because right now it's one with this, right? So yeah, this is not gonna work. I can't even spell. Okay, it looks a bit better. I mean, it's not, because now I only have this, right? It's separate from this. Oh, I was about to fucking give up, guys. Sorry, my language. I was about to give up. I was like, what the heck? So now we can use position absolute because now it's a separate thing. And position rotate. Oh my god. Thank god. Okay, now I learned something, guys. This is a pivotal moment. So now we can actually, I mean, it should work if I do like, let me just do 100 for fun. Okay, that's the wrong side. And let's do like 50 pixels. No. Okay, it's working. So I know, again, I know that this is not the right way of doing it. I know there's probably a better way, but I'm not too, this is how I would do this. Ooh, close. There we go. Oh my god, guys, I'm so happy. Wow, okay. The only thing now, we need to make this line long enough so we can just add it to the width of this, because that also should have been an after thing because the line is clearly higher. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna we should do this. Yeah. But it's not. Oh yeah, we need to. Okay, this works. But then I need to like wrap that, because this is column. So I need to. Yeah, it's gonna look ugly, but you guys know what I mean, right? Now I learned something. No, this is definitely not. Yeah. So I hope you guys don't judge me too hard. I know this is horrible. I'm aware of it. This is just to so margin right is correct. But yeah, it's still not. So do I need to move the? I think I need to move the. I can't. Oh yeah, I need to move it a bit down. As you guys can see, it's a bit downwards. So let's see how much. 32 pixels. So yeah, but it's moving the entire thing. So if I do margin, because I want to move it without moving the. Because it looks good. Like this looks good. But we need to, or maybe I can move this. Maybe I can move this. Okay, that's too much. 16. Yeah, we just need to move it a little bit up. But I can, oh my god, wait. Yeah, oh my god, I'm so sorry. This must be so frustrating for a, like a developer, like, oh, what? Yeah, now it's only, now it's doing that. So I'm like, okay, is it there? Yeah, this must be so frustrating to a developer to watch, because it's like, what the hell are you doing? You know what I mean? Like, what are you doing? But yeah, we should have, this is correct, and now I just need to move this. So I'm like, okay. It's not like hitting it perfect, but yeah, it's good. Oh my god, guys, we almost got it. Now we only need to move the li a bit up, and padding. Yeah, nothing is happening here, so margin. This is like working, but yeah, I'm taking it out, so I'm like, it's not gonna work. So I don't know, guys, how I'm gonna do that. Like it's working, but it's not like centered. So if I move the line, it's, I mean, maybe I can move the line, but it's not gonna help. I don't know. Let's give it a shot. Margin. Yeah, it's not gonna do shit. So can I do like, okay, display flex. Yeah, it's, oh my god. When I did display flex, it kind of moved, but it's moving like, you know, like that. So not really what I want. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna. At least we got it to work, right? I think we can try to solve it later because it's kind of working, and then we need to. Yeah. So it doesn't even look. Oh my god! I need to fix that. So yeah, again, guys, I know it's not the best. It's definitely not the best. But this is the best that I can do. And I just have to learn, you know? I just want to see if it's like, yeah. Bah. So that's what I feared. I'm like, yeah, it looks good like that, but then obviously it's gonna move. So, nah, it's not gonna be that easy, right? Of course not. Who are you fooling? Do you think you can just like get away with this? But this only happens when it's like, sorry. When it's like squeezed, right? Because then it gets pushed. So, because there's not enough room, so it's just gonna like. So. Yeah, I'm thinking of using like a custom breakpoint there, just so we get rid of that. Oh my god, guys, I feel like I butchered this. So I'm aware I messed it up completely. I could have probably made it easier, you know. But now I know about pseudo elements, which I will start to use in the future, right? Pseudo elements is for decoration, right? Like those lines, for example, I could use pseudo elements. So next time I'm gonna develop as a website, and I see lines or I see small things, I'm always gonna think pseudo elements, right? Its purpose is to add small decorations to the web page, right? So yeah, I definitely learned something, but I am frustrated because yeah, let's just finish the design. Man, that sucks. That sucks. Okay. Line flex. I don't know why I have line flex. Okay, do we even have the line? Yeah. So margin top 77 and then margin bottom 132 pixels. Top right bottom why is it not working? Is it because okay, let's just add that to, I don't know why I'm adding it to the line. That's stupid. I should add it to the entire container. So I'm a bit frustrated with myself because I know that I have very bad namings. Like very bad names. See, like floor plan container, floor plan selection. Like what the hell? Yeah. Oh man, this pissed me off a bit. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Yeah, it's not even responsive. So we're just gonna make it like responsive, right? Like when we hit, you can see already here. It's like, so I need to do something else. Oh. That is the thing too when you do web dev, right? So I'm thinking like, I mean, in my head, I'm thinking like I need to use display flex and I need to like group them together, right? So I need to group the hover and I need to group the line so they're like together. I don't know if I can do that. Of course, that's not gonna work. Because the only way to make it work is to, I have to remove this. No. I have to remove, yeah, I have to remove that. Because now it's gonna remain the same, right? Like no matter what I do. And somehow I need to, but I'm using position. So I don't know if I use margin, like pixels are gonna work. Yeah. Okay, guys, screw this. But yeah, we're gonna continue again. I just had to make a little video just to make sure that I do this every day. So we have reached this point where I just get frustrated now honestly tired of this project. um, like, yeah, we're almost there, but so but I'm realizing, like, that's the issue I did, right? Like, I didn't plan enough. I didn't take enough time to really plan, like, how am I gonna do this, right? And that's why now I have issues, and I need to, like, think, and I need to spend time on how I'm gonna do this, because I didn't do this in the beginning. So, lesson learned. So, although it looks like a waste of video, I learned a lesson here, and I hope you guys learn too. Before you start developing a project, always take your time. If you see like a complex layout, just take your time to think, right? Because it's not always obvious. Like, of course, if you're a senior developer, you're like, oh, that's obvious, you know. You can just use like column row reverse, so column reverse. Like, for example, here, right? You just put the, because here I was confused, right? I was like, okay, how am I gonna do this? But it's simple, right? Just group group these together, and you can just like change between them, right? So yeah, but that's it, guys. Day 18. Thank you guys so much for watching. I might live stream at the work. I'm thinking about doing that. I'm gonna start to dive into JavaScript. Might as well do that, because you know, we are getting close to 20 days. So I've been doing HTML CSS for 20 days soon. So I'm like, yeah, you know, it's time to just the sooner I get into JavaScript, the easier things are gonna be, right? Because it's gonna be a lot of things that I need to repeat, and I just need to drill, and drill. So that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Peace.